Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add credit card to Binance app. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Binance or if you are a new user, then I will put my link down in the description box so you can use that link and you can create your account, and in return you can get up to 100 USD trading fee rebate. So once you have successfully logged in into your account, you will have to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be redirected in your settings where you just have to scroll down, and in the payment method, you are going to see payment method option. So simply need to tap on payment method. Afterwards, you need to tap on P2P payment method in the top. Then you need to tap on add a payment method. Once done, it will show you all of the payment methods that you can use, and it may vary according to your country. Now, if you want to view all of the payment methods, then you need to tap on all payment methods, and now it will show you all of the payment methods that you can use in order to add credit card. Now over here, you can either use Skrill or any other credit card service provider, and you can link it with your Binance application. You will have to follow the steps on your own as the information is confidential, but you need to make sure that your name is the same on your credit card that is on your Binance account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.